We can change the behavior of any page in the page tree by modifying its page properties. In this short video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the more common properties you need to be aware of when working with TYPO3. Also note that depending on what permissions you've been granted for your user account will determine what you can see and what you can change within page properties. So let's make a start by selecting a page in our page tree and then selecting Edit Page Properties. Starting with the General tab, from here we can set a page title and preview our URL segment. If I want the URL for this page to differ from the page title, I can also change that property here. In the SEO tab, we can set a title for search engines, and we can also set a description for that page. From the SEO tab, we can also state if we want this page to be indexed by search engines. On the Social Media tab, we can set custom titles and descriptions for popular social media platforms. On the Metadata tab, the author name, email address, and last updated date are a convenient way to let other back-end users know who is responsible for this page and when they last made any changes to it. The Appearance tab is very important, and it's from here that we can select a back-end layout for our page. Back-end layouts determine the structure of our page both in the back-end and the front end of our site. But in simple terms, it's from here that we select a HTML template for our page. There's not that much that concerns us on the behavior page, but from here you can specify the cache lifetime of your page. From the Resources tab, we can attach media files to our page and then render them in the front end, if our templates are configured to do so. Generally though, there's not much on this tab that concerns us. The Languages tab has some options for us surrounding what to do if translations for our page exist or don't exist. The Access tab has a number of properties for us. From here I can enable and disable my page, and I can also decide if I want my page to be visible in any menus. I can also set a publish and expiry date for my page here. I can attach system categories to my page from the Category tab, but by default they have no behavior attributed to them. And finally, the Notes tab is a convenient way to leave notes for fellow back-end users who may have access to this page. And that's a quick overview of page properties in TYPO3 version 13.